I'm here at the Luxaflex factory, where I'm about to learn about the fascinating process of how our beautiful Australian-made blinds and awnings are made.
This is what I call Roller Blind Central.
You're a bit excited, aren't
I am, and that's about a week's worth of fabric.
That's a lot of blinds.
We make a lot of blinds.
Yeah. All the blinds are different lengths and different diameter poles.
This number here matches a number that comes on the fabric.
Now, where do I find the Equascreen fabric?
Equascreen fabric, stored on a rack over the back there. Equascreen.
Equascreen. Okay, this is it.
This is your baby. Recycled 50% ocean plastics.
Mate, that's awesome. And it's translucent as well.
Comes in a block out and a translucent.
In the living areas, I think this translucent is the key. Love it. Good one, mate. Where next?
Duets.
I do love a duet.
Well, duet, it's a massive story. No one has stuff like this. This is called Thea, double cell fabric.
Wow.
It's 95% recycled material.
Mate, this is unbelievable. You know I have plenty of curves in my house, right?
Too many curves.
Yeah. Have you thought about how we're going to get around those curves?
I think I've thought of nothing else since I was there last Friday, mate.
Show me the way.
Let's go have a look. This is our machine that bends curtains. So we're going to put a piece of track into the machine.
That's so cool. What's the smallest radius and what's the largest radius that you're doing right now?
200 millimeters.
Yep.
Is the smallest.
Yep.
At the moment, largest is 300.
Okay. Well, in Houston, we have a problem because I need 1 metre.
We'll absolutely find a solution.
This is why I love you, Baz.
Jamie, beautiful, slim, sleek-looking cassette. Pretty sure what we're looking at your place on the mezzanine level.
Yes.
We're going to put 2 of these side by side.
Yes.
And we're going to project out probably 4 metres.
It covers the entire patio.
The whole patio area.
That's so good.
Roughly 9-10 metres wide.
What is the fabric?
Acrylic. So it's which is a soft fibre fabric.
Right.
It's a man-made fibre.
Yeah.
So acrylic is soft. If you feel it there, it's soft. 100% UV protection.
What about wind? Surely that's a factor,
So
right?
wind absolutely is a factor.
Yep.
Now that motion sensor attaches to the front rail. When it senses too much movement, 30 kilometres per hour wind is the maximum wind load rating that these awnings are designed.
It's a beautiful piece of engineering.
Mate,
isn't
it's
it?
very nice.
I love it. Should we check out the fabrics?
Mate, let's do it.
Lovely. All right, so this is where all the fabrics come to life, yeah?
Sure is, mate.
You know where I'm going, right?
Mate, I love it. That is a brilliant colour. If you got a torch and shone it on it, you would see the light beating through it.
I love this colour. What other greens do you have?
Probably more greens than we have in stock here. We'll give you a piece of each.
Okay.
I think the trick is, take it out there with Amika, hold it up.
Yeah.
In the sun to see how much light comes through it.
Yeah. Really nice. Thanks a
mate.
lot. Cheers. This is great, Baz, because I can take this home and then Meeks and I can go, yep, no.
Yeah, perfect.